Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Honorable Maji Solomon. Right now, I am going to treat Ratio, Volume 2, in the field of mathematics. Okay. Mathematics. Topic. Ratio. Volume 2. How to calculate ratio. Example 1. Joseph has 25 shares and Simon has 20 shares. Question. What is the ratio of Joseph's shares to Simon's shares? Solution. Joseph's shares he has 25 shares, as you can see. Simon's shares. Simon has 20 shares. All right. Now, I am looking for the ratio of Joseph's shares to Simon's shares. As you can see, in the field of ratio, as you can see, it is expected of you to compare quantities that are of the same kind. It is expected of you to compare quantities that are of the same units. Okay. Now, I am looking for the ratio of Joseph's shares to Simon's shares. Okay. Now, I am going to select a number, a non-zero number. I am going to select a number that I can divide 25 by, that I can also divide 20 by without a remainder. All right? I have to choose a number. I'm going to select a number right now. Let me select 5. 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. The answer is 5. Put down the sign of ratio. Look at the sign of ratio. Okay? I've selected 5 already. A non-zero number. Okay? 20 divided by 5. The answer is 4. Okay? As you can see, look at the question. What is the ratio of Joseph's shares to Simon's shares? The ratio is 5:4. This is the answer. All right? Okay. Joseph's shares ratio Simon's shares is equal to 5:4. This is the answer. Example 2. Okay. Example 2. What are the simplest forms of the following ratios? The simplest forms of the following ratios. Solution. I have 2:4. What are the simplest simplest forms of the following ratios. Have 2:4. What is the simplest form of this ratio? I have to select a number, a non-zero number that I can divide 2 by, that I can divide 4 by, without a remainder. Let me select 2. Let me choose 2. I've selected 2. I'm going into the calculation now. This 2, this one, divided by the one that I have selected, 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Write down the sign of ratio. Put down the sign of ratio. Okay? Over to 4. 4 divided by 2 that I have selected. 4 divided by 2. The answer is 2. This is the simplest form of 2:4. This is the answer. Okay. Number 2. 3:6. What is the simplest form of 3:6? Solution. I have to select a non-zero number. I have to select a number that I can divide 3 by without a remainder. That I can also divide 6 by without a remainder. Let me select a number right now. I am going to select 3. This 3 divided by the 3 that I have selected. 3 divided by 3. The answer is 1. Put down the sign of ratio. Over to 6. 6 divided by 3 that I have selected. 6 divided by 3. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. Now, the simplest form of 3:6 is 1:2. 1:2. This is the answer. Number 3. 2:10. 2:10. What is the simplest form of 2:10? Solution. I have to select a number, a non-zero number, a number that I can divide 2 by without a remainder, a number that I can divide 10 by without a remainder. Let me select 2. This 2 divided by the 2 that I have selected. 2 divided by 2. The answer is 1. Put down the sign of ratio. Okay? 10 divided by 2. The 2 that I have selected. 10 divided by 2. The answer is 5. The simplest form of 2:10 is 1:5. This is the answer. Alright? Number 4. 2:4:6. What is the simplest form of 2:4:6? Solution. Have to select a non-zero number. Have to select a number that I can divide 2 by without a remainder. A number that I can divide 4 by without a remainder. A number that I can divide 6 by without a remainder. Okay? Let me select 2. 2 divided by 2. This 2 divided by the 2 that I have selected. 2 divided by 2. The answer is 1. Put down the sign of ratio. Ratio sign. Okay? 4 divided by 2. The 2 that I have selected. 4 divided by 2. The answer is 2. Put down the sign of ratio. Over to 6. 6 divided by 2. 6. As you can see. 6 divided by 2. The answer is 3. This is the simplest form of 2:4:6. Okay. Number 5. 3:6:9. Answer. Solution right now. I have to select a number that I can divide 3 by without a remainder. That I can divide 6 by without a remainder. That I can divide 9 by without a remainder. Okay? Let me select 3. 3, this 3 divided by the 3 that I have selected. The answer is 1. Put down the sign of ratio. 6 divided by 3. The answer is 2. Put down the sign of ratio. Alright? 9 divided by 3 that I have selected. 9 divided by 3. The answer is 3. The simplest form of 3:6:9 is 1:2:3. This is the answer. Thank you so much.